going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy coconut rumble. So let's go and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, for this simple recipe, all you need is your favorite packet of biscuits. I have some digestive chocolate biscuits that Lando loves, my son. I have 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of coconut, and 1 cup of cocoa. So I'm going to mix it all together, roll it up, and then roll it in coconut, and voila! In goes the condensed milk. And then the coconut, and cocoa, and I'm going to give it a mix. Putting a splash of my Malibu for the rum aspect of this recipe. So just a splash. You can most definitely put no rum in it so the kids can eat it, but up to you. Okay, so you just get a bit of dough, roll it, and then roll it in the coconut. And voila! There you go. That's it. And there they are. There they are, all done. So how was that, guys? Hope you loved that video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers!